Stop it.
Yep. That's a good one too.
David. Daddy got a fishy. David, Daddy. Daddy got a fish. David, Daddy. Look at Daddy. Good boy, Steve. Div. David.
Oh my goodness.
David, come here. Oh no.
That'll stun him. But now we get to measure him and see if he's in the legal slot.
Div, no. Div.
It's got to be 13 to 16 inches.
He just came down and drank the water out of the
stream.
Div, look at the fish. Nope.
Yep. He's 10 to 13. He's going to become dinner.
Div.
Oh, that sugar can't be good for him.
Div. Div. Look at the fish. Look at the fish. Fish. Look at the fish, Div.
He's still filming?
Yeah.
He's a little small, but
Div, no.
You gonna hold that for me?
How do I stop recording again?
Just hit the... There you go.